Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option software update. Let's tap. Here we've got this option auto download. Let's tap. So if you've got it set on never, all you have to do is to tap on using Wi-Fi only. I do not recommend tapping on using Wi-Fi or mobile data because your device might it might cost some charges depending on your career, etc. So it is better to download the update packages via the Wi-Fi because those packages, those files are quite large, so it is better to use Wi-Fi. So just make sure that it is set on using Wi-Fi only, and it means that you just successfully turned on automatic download. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.